students, here is another important question on ratio. We know that ratio, the first of all we will also will again repeat the definition of the ratio. In the previous video we also discussed on the definition of ratio. So ratio is used to compare two or more quantities having the same unit. Yes, this is the function of ratio. Ratio always compare two or more quantities having the same unit. If the quantities are not in the same unit, we have to convert them in the same unit. So this is the function of ratio. And now let us solve this important question. The question says write the ratio 75 gram ratio 3 kilogram in its simplest form. Yes, here we have again two quantities and we see that they are not in the same unit. First one, that is 75 gram, and second one, that is 3 kilogram. They are not same unit. So first of all we convert them in the same unit. 75 gram ratio 3 kilogram. Yes, so it is easier to convert both of them in the smaller unit. The smaller unit here is gram. 75 gram ratio 3. This prefix kilo means 1000, so we multiply this to convert this in kilogram into gram. We multiply this 3 by 1000, so this is gram. Now they are in the same unit. These two cancel out. So the 75 ratio 3000. Yes, we multiply both of them with a common factor to simplify it or to write in its simplest form. So divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5 to carry, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. These 2 0 come here. Again we divide by 5. Again we divide by 5 because again 5 is the common factor. So 5 threes are 15 and 5 12s are 60. So this 0 again come here. Now divide by 3 because 3 is the common factor over here. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Again this 0 come here. Now this is in its simplest form. We can not further simplify it because there is no common factor for them. So this is in its simplest form, 1 ratio 40. We can read it as 1 ratio 40, or for every 1 unit there are 40 units, or for every 40 units there are 1 unit. To understand, if we are supposed to boil the rice, some quantity of rice, so let's say if there is 1 kilogram of rice there are 40 kilograms of water, which means for 1 kilogram of rice, we have to use 40 kilogram of water. This is just for example to understand the ratio. So this is the function of ratio, and in the next video we will further solve some advanced questions on ratio. Thank you.